Ever wondered how you could make your garden thrive even more? It's time to introduce you to companion planting, a gardening method where different species are grown together for mutual benefit. So why exactly should you consider companion planting? Let's delve into the benefits. Benefit number 1, pest control. With companion planting, you can bid farewell to those pesky pests naturally. Certain plants act as nature's very own pest deterrents. Take, for instance, marigolds. These vibrant beauties aren't just a feast for the eyes, but also deter nematodes and aphids. That's right. They're like a security guard for your garden, keeping those unwanted guests at bay. Moving on to benefit number 2, enhanced growth. Some plants are like the best friends who bring out the best in others. A prime example of this is the time-honored trio of corn, beans, and squash, fondly known as the Three Sisters in Native American agriculture. These three work together in harmony, each helping the other to thrive and grow in a beautiful symbiotic relationship. And finally, benefit number 3, improved flavor. Believe it or not, some plants can actually enhance the taste of their companions. A perfect example is basil, which is believed to boost the flavor of tomatoes. So if you're looking to add a little zing to your homegrown tomatoes, why not plant some basil alongside? As you can see, companion planting offers a multitude of benefits, from pest control to enhanced growth and even improved flavor of your plants. So, isn't it time to give companion planting a try in your garden? Let's quickly recap. Companion planting offers numerous benefits like pest control, improved plant health, and maximized use of space. It's a wonderful way to respect nature's balance while also reaping a bountiful harvest. So why not experiment with different plant pairings? You might surprise yourself with the results. Remember, a thriving garden is just a plant pairing away. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.